Don't worry, we're here. Everybody, Tyler, chill out. Chill out. So you can see my dog just sitting in her kennel sometimes. What are you doing? All right, what do we got going on today? Got 5 minutes to open. Tyler, JP's here. We had non-farm payroll, but I guess it's a decent move considering where we've been, but that's not. Haven't we had like 200-point moves on non-farm payroll before? We have an 84-point candle. I was heavily debating on skipping today, but no need. We can take it. Do we have anything else going on today? Never give up, never surrender. We ain't no. Okay, non-farm was that? Start over. Good morning, everybody. All right, non-farm was at 8:30. We've got consumer sentiment at 10. University of Michigan sentiment prelim. Are you questioning if I'm Rat Lord 100 lot? What's going on? Yes, I'm the real one. I'll hold up a sign to prove. The IRL, yes. All right, I think we just have to watch for 10. I think we just need to make sure we're out at that point. Pop a news reminder on here. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Oh, that was super quick for Apex, huh? What? Somebody, I think One Stop Trader, he pops in here every once in a while. He said he's been waiting on his Apex forever, like weeks, and I don't understand because everybody else I see or hear is getting approved like a day, 2 days tops. Fade or don't fade is a question. Yeah. I mean, looking at the 5 minute, I'm thinking I want lower prices, but I don't know. We'll just see. I mean, they've been super quick with my affiliate payouts. That's the only payouts I've been getting with them. Usually they email me that they're sending it and then I don't get it for like several more weeks. But lately they send me the email and then like the money's in my bank the next day. So they've definitely improved money outgoing. Am I crazy to think lower prices today? We're just gonna trade. We're just scalping. I don't. We're not. We don't need a bias. That's right, Tyler. I was the one writing all those books. Several times yesterday, the divergence setup played out, and we didn't get it. That first short we could have held pretty much all day, and we didn't. I'm not looking to hold all day, but I need to be getting my money's worth out of these trades if we're gonna risk entering, you know. About to open up here. I just see this fair value gap on the 5 minute, a bullish one, but we pumped that non-farm payroll pumped right up into this guy up here. So take what you will from that. ES is just freaking. This is the 4 hour on ES. ES is climbing back to its highs. I guess they look pretty similar today on the 4 hour. We'll see. Oh, we're open. Hopefully we don't get a 60 point chop fest again. When we get a second, we can oh, nice 100 lot. When we get a second, we can review that Phoenix account. I got the results. They didn't choose me for live, which is a little disappointing. That was the highest probability, is that they're probably super picky with that because those accounts were so cheap. But my report that they gave me looks really good. Like all my metrics, I thought looked really well. But we can go into that. We can go into that later when the market, or when we're not actively looking for trades. Look at all this. Look at all this buying, and we're not cracking those highs. Did it really play a? Let me turn that off. I always forget that there's ads on here. That was like when I was gaming the other day, and the first 2 people I killed, and Chef's like, I don't know if you killed them or not, because we were in an ad. You still getting those nursing ads? Where? Hold on. I'll turn it off in a second. I'll turn off the automatic ones, and then I'll just insert them when we're not doing anything. Every time I go to enter a trade, I'll put an ad on. It's just climbing high. Delta's climbing higher, but we're unable to get back up there at 530. Oh, frick. ES is going up there, though. gonna get out of one and put one stop up there, just de-risk if it does get up there. If we come back down, we'll add if it's in the green. But I don't like ES. I feel like we could wick up there on NASDAQ. Yeah, right. Right before we hit a exit, insert ad. Of course, it wicks up there. May try short again. Just wait a second. We're kind of stalling up here. ES is coming back down into its little beneath its highs from earlier, but it could also be getting, could also hit some support there. But I still like how much higher we went on Delta from here to here versus price barely went up there. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Yeah, we do have that news at 10, so maybe we're just gonna do this little grindy bull crap until then. Today I'm entering with 2 contracts each time and then just plan on scaling out one at a time. This is about a 10-point risk. I want to see if this just goes back up there or not, which I guess we are. All right, well, I'm gonna wait with you, Tyler. God, this week is so frustrating. Watch it pull back down now. Nice 100 lot. I'm really trying to not risk more than 10 points. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I did short yesterday into the close on my, not on my fundeds, on my evals. We got like 20, I think we got around like 25-ish points with 4 micros. So my evals ended up half as red as what they were on the stream. I forgot to mention that. Yesterday. Oh, right here. We shorted 2. Went into some drawdown, but then went down 22 points and then back to our entry. So I added 2 more and then got out of them. Got out of a few down here and then 1 down there and then still kept going, but that got us back to... I didn't do it on the fundeds. I wasn't going to risk those, but just did it on the evals. That's why I was able to hold it a little. It's easier to hold when... No, not necessarily. I don't have a daily goal. I try to stop when I realize I can't handle the next trade. That seems to be working better for me than having a goal, because when I have a goal, let's just say if I want to make 200, I struggle when I get to like that one. If I exit a trade, I'm at like 180. That's a struggle for me. So I just trade. That's why I keep my profit and loss hidden during my trading, and then I mean, I have an idea of where we're at, you know. But after a handful of trades, usually I start to think I don't want a losing trade next, so that's when I stop. And then we see what we made or lost for the day. Yeah, I mean it can work for some people, I guess. Just doesn't work for me. What's up, McLovin? This is one of those moves where maybe we just long until short or until swing lows get taken out. Or we need to wait till 10. Back when I was trading that 5-second chart, I was aiming for 150 a day, and each trade was $75. If it was a winning trade, I think it was at 75. But those trades happened super quick, and it was a lot easier for me to handle that. The problem with that trading style, I was doing like one losing trade would wipe out a couple of trades, if not like a day or two's worth of progress in one loss, and that's really hard to sustain. But I mean, you guys saw I had payouts coming from Bulinox, from Apex, multiple in the same month, but I stopped doing it before I ever had to deal with losing days on it, because I could feel that it wasn't sustainable. I felt like I was just getting lucky every day. It was working. We went on like a pretty good green streak with it, obviously, because we were getting payouts, but it was too much. We are like 10 points away from highs. What's up, Chef? Yeah, we have news at 10. I accidentally took the thing off. Consumer sentiment. What accounts did you have trades on for NFP? Oh my god. How many? What was the damage? Did you lose that account? Jesus. See, I put too much pressure on myself with my accounts because I don't have the money to freaking buy more accounts and pay these activation fees. So it was a lot easier when I was working and I could afford accounts, but I think it's helped me manage my risk, but then at the same time it puts more pressure on me. So we need that balance, which is why I need some sort of job with some stable income. But I'm not freaking I'm not going to work for like $8 an hour all day. But it's tough out there for getting a programming job right now. There's jobs, but like they want people who've been in it for a long time or like went to college and stuff. And I taught myself, and which I think speaks louder than going to college. And I mean, I have like six years of experience in it, but I guess they want more. I don't know. We're trying. I did. He said he would look to see if there was any extra work he could send my way, and I said, yeah, just send me anything. And then I never heard from him again. I had lunch with some friends who still work there, and they said it's kind of tough right now. So fiber coding? Oh, Fiverr. No, that's like, I've looked at gigs on there and it's like $10 for like, they want a whole application or a whole website for $10 after that. It's moving. I think this is way too late to... I should have longed this freaking thing back here. Delta was high. Like super positive. We're just making higher lows on the tick chart. That with delta climbing, like just get in with it and ride it. That's... I need to try that reverse challenge with 1 micro and see how we do. Because what if that actually... What if I'm good at it and I could just trade like that? The evals or the milestone? Look at all the selling, and we did not go anywhere. Oh, they took them. Yeah, I saw a post in Ox's Discord, like they're redoing them or something. See, this is when we should buy. Everyone thinks it's about to plummet. I'll regret this later. Quite literally buying at the highs. At the time we bought, it was 2 points off the highs. Let's see if we can get into an hour-long 19-point trade here. Stop, Tyler. Yeah, probably. It will come back. I'll get out for break even. Rips higher. When we had those 25Ks, we bought at 6 or at 500, expecting it to go to 520, and it did. So we should go to 620, right? That only makes sense. I think it's probably just back to their 80%. They had 90% on Monday, Tuesday, but that's over. I don't know what they have going on right now. Doesn't say anything on their site. Checking. Yeah, there's still a discount. Oh, it's not very good. A 25K is $73. So it's just like half off. That's weird. Keep freaking going, NASDAQ. Oh yeah, way better. My Fun and Futures is changing their prices though, aren't they? In January. Lots of selling that did not break that low. And at 600, that's a good sign. I mean, we should have just waited for that to form. Let's go to 650. And then we made we made new highs with not new highs on Delta. Still a good sign. That's not good. We just want 620. What's up, Knives? Ready to pick up a prop firm? Prop firm account? What's up, Joseph? Don't. I mean, this could pull all the way back to freaking 528. That's a lot of selling, and it's not really moving. You don't want to be in a trade when the news comes. Some buying. Came right back to this area. This is gonna... Oh, we have less than a minute. Frick. I have to kill this. What do I do? Okay, that's good. Stay up there. There we go. There we go. That was not the plan. That was not the plan at all. But it worked. If that was on the red side as 10 was rolling over, then I was about to just flatten everything, but that was good. Knives weed. That was a green trade. I know it was. I was wanting that 620 before the news happened. Unfortunately, we had to adapt, and we did, and we conquered. Some people don't have those skills. I don't fault them for it. They just got to trade differently. Probably should have put some hard stops down at 590 just in case. We'll do that next time if that ever happens again. It wasn't much of a news event anyways. It just starts to move quickly, but not really going anywhere. We're probably still red. We took 2 losses earlier. That one was a Wayne with larger size than the previous 2, but I don't know. We're either like break even or a little red. Either way, we feel perfectly fine to keep going. Especially that we've already moved twice as far as we moved all day yesterday. So seems like hopefully the market's out of its little funk that it's been in. ES is going down. Not seeing anything yet on this NASDAQ chart for lower prices. If anything, we had this red delta, but then a pretty big green candle up here. It's not enough to take a trade off of, but I think I have taken trades where we're expecting Nasdaq to catch up with ES, and we just wait to see like lots of selling in this instance, and then just short it to catch up with ES. But I just don't trust the market this week, so I don't think we should take that. Pointing it out and staying out, it will work. See if it goes down to 580 without pulling back. So if we shorted a little above 600, it's tons of selling. And ES is still going down. In my report for that other account, it also broke down my overall P&L for longs versus shorts, and I'm overall red with longs. All my money is made with the shorts, so it's only a month's worth of data. I don't think I should write off ever taking longs. But I thought that was interesting, especially because for that month of trading on that account, my biggest trade was a long. So that means if I was overall red, I took a lot more longs that were just all losers to give all that back. Like my largest trade for the whole month was a long, but then I'm overall red with long trades. And then all the money was made with shorting. So that was interesting. Super interesting. I guess the short wasn't going to work there. ES came back to this gap. There's really no divergences. Delta is lining up with the tick chart. So we just wait. It's like it's starting to stall here. Which we sat. It took us an hour the other day at the 500 level. To freaking, I mean, we got 20 points out of this quicker from 600 to 620, but it sat around the 500 level for a long time the other day. Good thing we didn't short. Five more points and we got new all-time highs again. And I think I started trading NASDAQ when it was like at 16,000, maybe. Soon we'll be at like 80,000. Look at this go. What the hell? Is the stream like messing up? It says it's dropping frames. My upload speed is fine. I don't know why. YouTube says it's not getting enough data. What the hell? I'm glad you do. I hate listening to myself while I trade. Yeah, I don't know, my upload speed must have dropped for a second, but I just checked it and it's fine. But it says I'm dropping frames right now. Why are we dropping frames? I'm gonna try lowering the something. I don't know what to do. We're gonna have to just stick through it. My upload speed showed 20 megabits per second, which is more than plenty. Sometimes I only get like 10 and it's still fine. So I don't know why it's freaking out right now. Yeah, my upload's 20. 17, 18, 20-ish. That's more than enough. It could be YouTube, I guess. I'm shorting this because we do have a divergence forming, or that did form. Not gonna hesitate on it. I'm not knives. We stream that. We don't download it. Oh, now it says stream excellent. All right, I'll put the bitrate back up. Output stream. My OBS still shows that we're dropping frames, and I don't understand. We've got a div happening right here. Just want to keep going higher. Oh my God, what is wrong with this? I don't know what to do. That might be better. I don't know, Joseph. If you want me to game, I mean, you don't gotta you don't gotta talk me into it. Problem is, I gotta lower this bit rate in order for this stream to work, and that's gonna make the quality even worse on Hunt. It's probably already hard enough to see stuff. All right, I think that's helping it, but we just lost like everybody. I'm not playing that. You play it and you stream it, and then I'll join you. I like this going higher than coming back to like these highs. Nope. I don't know. I think we have room to keep going. I mean, look at this. Look at the 5 minute. We got this huge gap up here. We gotta fill all this. ES is now stuck in a range. What? A 3.5 point range? I like it coming back to all this. Nope, it's not working. Okay, we're just stopping this 'cause it's not working. If I